And we're back. Part 3?
I don't know, something like that.
Yeah, part 3. So we've concreted it in, walk on it, see if it's sturdy. Pretty sturdy.
I'm pretty happy with how solid it is. What's the time?
8:30, 9:30 I think.
10:20.
Time for a beer.
Well,
So,
So we're finally done. Completed. Spectacular, concreted in. We just gotta wait for it to dry. That's looking pretty impressive, I must say. The deck will be ready to go on, I reckon, by next weekend, because I've run out of time and Mark's got to go back home. But are you happy?
I'm pretty happy.
Yeah.
I reckon as long as it feels solid underfoot, which, like I said, we've gone overboard on the number of stirrups we've used and concreted in.
Yeah.
So it should be survive till the end of time.
There's 3 stirrups just supporting this little square here, which means you can pretty much carry the giant fridge on it and it won't move. If this house burns down, the only thing that will be remaining is this deck and the stirrups. Yeah. Yeah. Really happy with this. I think it's time for a beer.
Yep.
Awesome. Good morning, everybody. Well, another weekend, and it means I gotta go finish this deck. Mark's away, he's gone home already, which is a shame because he did such a great job helping me out with this. It's 6 a.m. in the morning, well actually just before 6 a.m. and actually it is 6 a.m. See, I'm still trying to sleep. The sun's already in my eyes. It's ridiculous. We need daylight savings in Queensland. Apparently it's going to be a scorcher of a day. It's going to be like 37, 38 degrees. So, and funny enough, it's already 27 degrees, 6 a.m. in the morning. Crazy time, but I need to get this deck finished. And I reckon it's going to look absolutely awesome. Look at this flare in my camera. I love it. So, come with me. Let's get this deck done. Hopefully, get most of the stuff done before the heat really kicks in. So, let's do this. Well, turned up. Concrete's dried, everything's dry. Nice and sturdy. Bits and pieces measured up. Gotta go get some wood. Let's do this. Need screws, decking screws. Come on, decking screws. I got wood. There we go. Cool. Alright, all measurements done. Got the wood. Gonna make the border first. So there's no gap. There's no bend at the beginning of this areas. Alright, we got all the wood. That was an interesting drive with this, but ready to go. It's now 38 degrees, so getting a bit warm. Sun's now nice and high. Time to get a drink in me and keep going. Oh man, I just returned the 6-meter trailer to Bunnings. It's ridiculously hot. It's 39 degrees right now. And focus, there we go. 1:33 in the afternoon, 39 degrees. I just finished my first beer. Not while driving, kids, not while driving. So I'm gonna go back now and see if Brody's put any more pieces of wood on. And and then soldier on, get it done. See you soon. Brody's knocked out these decks. That's really good. That's good. Now we get these corners in. This is going to be a really annoying part. Getting these corners in. Around there. And then straight up into the air. We could be done. Potentially. Get the show on the road. Oh, the lip. Look at this overdrive. That's awesome. Really good work. That looks brilliant. Really happy with this. So we have to cut out these intricate shapes here. Didn't come out too bad. Brody's just putting the last screws in this side here, and then smooth runnings for at least 6 decks, and then more cutting. Thank God for this little guy. Thank God for my sister's little pink drill. Thanks, sis. I think it's time to open one of these down. I think it definitely need one of these cervases. Well, the sun's coming down. What's the time, bros? 6:30? 6:20. 6:20 p.m. Sun's gone down, but progress. Check this out. Feels getting a bit warm, but I mean that's pretty impressive. It's sturdy. Just need to keep on screwing. Right? Yeah. Well, let's set the time lapse up and keep going. Well, it's 8 o'clock at night. The sun has gone down, and we're I would say just over 50% done. But man, it looks good. Look at this. That's tradies, eat your heart out. This is really straight. All the screws are lined up as well. Only one split wood. Edges are done really well. I reckon even my dad would be impressed with this. There's and bros, you happy? It's a good looking deck. Well, one more week. I reckon it's done. Good morning. It's another weekend, which means I'm back to finishing this deck. It's pretty much done. I think I left Brody with about 20 boards left, so, and he did it over the week. It was ridiculous last week, 42 degrees, it peaked out. I was just not feeling well. I reckon I was on the edge of heat stroke. But we gotta go and get this done. It's gotta be finished. It's a much cooler day. It's just hitting 6 o'clock, so last time I left at 6 o'clock it was already nearly 30 degrees. It's 22 right now, so I think it's gonna be a much cooler day. So let's get this deck finished, and so I can relax, at least have one Sunday to myself. I haven't had a weekend to myself for a very long time. Beard's growing pretty big. What do you think? I don't mind it. I haven't shaved for nearly a month. It's the longest I've ever gone. It's crazy. Well, it's been a week. He's done a pretty good job. That's not a bad looking deck. That's pretty good. So the decision is made. We're going to put the border around here, and then we're going to build up a step here to the door. But first we need to sand everything down and get it ready for staining, because once we put the border on, that's pretty much it. Smooth sailing from there. So here we go. Coming along nicely. First part of the step is done. This house is so uneven. All these were cut evenly. Check it out. People need to use rulers when building houses. Yeah. Anyway, we finished the deck. Just got the borders to put on. Finally, the crooked part is done. And the only reason it's done is because this guy turned up.
That's right.
Anyway, so here's to your new deck.
Yes.
That's a cute looking dick. Alright, na zdrowie. That's good, eh?
Burn.
Yeah, żołądkowa. Straight from Poland.
Someone else is gonna have to do that then.
Come on, just get in it. Get in it! Well, I'm pretty impressed. We are done. Borders are in. Sanding is almost done. Step is done. That's sturdy as. That's a pretty good job. Are you impressed?
I am.
I'm impressed. I didn't even know I was capable of doing this. Well, we need Mark. Without Mark, nothing would get done. Are you happy, big fella?
Always happy, mate.
Always happy. Oh, should have done half the job then. Anyway, time to go home. So you're going to send me a picture once you've painted it? Yeah, it has to be done. Alright, good luck.